Mumbai is the worst affected city in India. Due to lack of facilities and medical assistance, hospitals make a big change. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation has appointed Hiten Sethi Architects to design a unique facility at Navi Mumbai. HSA has successfully converted the space in Sidco Exhibition Centre, which stands with a vast floor area of 1.42 lakh square feet, into an isolation centre and medical treatment facility for positive patients. HSA, along with city engineer Surinder Patil, has come up with a plan that incorporates various national and international guidelines for COVID care facilities. Facilities such as triage and observation, consult and counsel room, general wards, oxygenated wards, pathology lab, pharmacy, X-ray, critical care unit, recovered patients lounge, PPE kit donning, doffing and lounge areas for pandemic staff have been built effectively for persuasive operations of the facility. With efficient manpower, latest technology and superlative medical assistance, this project has been created in no time. Beds and portable toilet blocks have been stationed. The entire air-conditioned facility is also made COVID-19 compliant by using more efficient filters and UV lights. With innovative design and detailing, the facility is ready in 20 days. Design belief includes specifications adhering to hygiene and health as prime concerns. Registration counters have been installed to enable easy admission. Cement board drywall partitions have been installed with antibacterial paint, with anti-static, antibacterial, linoleum hospital flooring, in addition to upgraded HVAC system to ensure higher standards. Pedestal fans have been provided in each ward to ensure sufficient air changes. Cylinder clamp and saline stand provision come in handy with the oxygenated wards. Each ward has a toilet facility with running hot water for baths. 634 general beds, 500 oxygenated beds, 10 triage beds for new patients, and 7 critical care beds, a total of 1,151 beds and 22 wards. A clear distance of 1.2 meters is kept between two beds. Mobile charging points and storage cabinets are next to each bed. Two 65-inch televisions have been installed in every ward. An internet facility for entertainment have also been ensured. A pathology lab to support further research to ensure timely medical assistance has been provided to the medical staff. The pharmacy has been stocked up to avoid medical shortage. X-ray labs, critical care units and recovered patients lounge have been built effectively for persuasive operations of the facility. PPE kit donning, doffing and lounge areas have been provided to the paramedic staff. 223 doctors and staff have been provided with accommodation. Easily located emergency evacuation plans and signages are placed strategically. The Urban Development Minister of the Government of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, has closely monitored the project. Member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Ganesh Nayak, also gave full cooperation and support to the completion of this project. Day-to-day interventions by Municipal Commissioner Shri Anna Sahib Misal made it possible to complete this challenging task in just 20 days. Entire facility is monitored by existing CCTV cameras to enable identifying emergencies. This COVID center now stands as a symbol of humanity and promise by architect Hiten Sethi and Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation to step up in need of emergency and serve its nation.